everybody, welcome back. It's Paddy here from Veteran Detail. During this episode we're going to be detailing and removing water spots from a 2013 Mercedes Sprinter passenger van. Yes, one of those things that carries lots and lots of kids. We are in Utah. So what we're going to show you in this episode is how we safely remove water spots. The vehicle has been attacked by a sprinkler system. The family went away to Hawaii for a few months, parked the vehicle outside, right next to a sprinkler system. You can imagine what's happened now is the sun has baked on all of those water spots, calcium deposits, mineral deposits all over the surface. Take a look for yourself. That's what happens when you park your vehicle next to a sprinkler system. Ooh, so bad. So, we're going to get down to attacking that, and stay tuned. We'll take you through the whole process. So as you see, we're going to be using water spot remover. Whilst my guys have been detailing the engine, I've been looking over this whole vehicle, and it's got some really heavy calcium and mineral deposits deposited all over this one side and a little bit to the rear of the vehicle. So first of all, as with any vehicle, we're going to wash it, give it a thorough washing down, get rid of all of the dirt. Once you've done that process, we're then going to bring the vehicle in, clay bar the whole vehicle, because we're going to be polishing out the whole vehicle, we're going to be detailing the whole vehicle. The main things that we're looking for, as you can see here, there are water spots everywhere, and the problem with the sprinkler system is it shows no mercy. It will get into every nook and cranny. So with our water spot remover, typically it's used on glass and chrome and things like that. It's not normally used on paint. However, with a little bit of care, you can use it on the painted surface. So, we carried out water spot treatment on the glass and on the paint, and very carefully on the plastics. So once we carried out that water spot treatment, it started to take off a lot of that mineral deposits which were etched basically into the glass surface. However, it was a really time consuming process. Something which is slightly quicker, and if you're using it on glass, what you can use is a glass polish with wire wool. Now, this is fine if you're using a really fine wire wool and only on the exterior of the glass. You don't want to be using it on the interior of the glass, because as you can see here, it's got tinted windows. That window tint will scratch and will be affected. So, once you've carried out the windows, our next stage is to go around with a supercut or quite a heavy grade compound and get into all of the little nooks and crannies that your polisher can't fit into first, and then we're going over the remainder of the surface with that same compound on a DA polisher and carrying out the polishing or the sort of cutting process. And what we're doing is we're actually cutting on the main surface of the calcium deposits. We're not really going into the paint. Finishing it off now with our typical thing that our go-to product, which is called Black Beauty.
I can't believe you got the plastic looking this nice.
And as you hear there, the owner says he can't believe we got the plastics looking so nice. There you go, all done. Thank you for tuning in to Veteran Detail for today's video. Don't forget to press the subscribe button. It'll be down there. And give our video a thumbs up. Most important, hit the little bell. That'll then give you notifications of when our next video is online. And we look forward to seeing you. Don't forget that all of those items that we mentioned today are in the description at the bottom. So find those links, click on there and get the products that we use. Thank you. Stay tuned.